You're gonna ride the elevator. The Otis 26 hydraulic elevators upstairs. I got a special surprise for you when we get upstairs on the second floor. We're going to number 2. Now, we're gonna get a snack out of the vending machine. And there it goes. And we're getting a snack out of the vending machine. Here's the vending machine right here. We are going to set canes right here. And right there. See. We're going to get my wallet. Let's have a 3 Musketeers. 1 for 1. We're gonna okay. We're gonna what the heck? The quarter dropped. Oh, we're gonna push 1 for 1. Oh, $1.50. Oh. Yep. Three Musketeers. And that's it.